Comedian plus actor Satya, all movies list. First movie Drona, released in 2009. Second movie Kalavarki, released in 2010. Third movie Kodipunju, released in 2011. Fourth movie Pilla Jamindar, released in 2011. Fifth movie Gabbar Singh, released in 2012. Sixth movie Cameraman Gangato Rambabu, released in 2012. Seventh movie Chammak Chello, released in 2013. Eighth movie Swami Rara, released in 2013. Ninth movie Veyi Abaddalu, released in 2013. 10th movie Vasundhara Nilayam, released in 2013. 11th movie Ramayya Vastavaya, released in 2013. 12th movie Venkatadri Express, released in 2013. 13th movie Prema Ishq Kadal, released in 2013. 14th movie Rabasa, released in 2014. 15th movie Kartikeya, released in 2014. 16th movie Rowdy Fellow, released in 2014. 17th movie Surya vs Surya, released in 2015. 18th movie Son of Satyamurthy, released in 2015. 19th movie Dochai, released in 2015. 20th movie Asura, released in 2015. 21st movie Tiger, released in 2015. 22nd movie James Bond, released in 2015. 23rd movie Cinema Chupista Mama, released in 2015. 24th movie Ketugadu, released in 2015. 25th movie Tikka, released in 2016. 27th movie Speed Nodu, released in 2016. 28th movie Selfie Raja, released in 2016. 29th movie Savitri, released in 2016. 30th movie Majnu, released in 2016. 31st movie Premam, released in 2016. 32nd movie Ekkadiki Potavu Chinnavada, released in 2016. 32nd movie Gunturodu, released in 2017. 33rd movie Cine Mahal, released in 2017. 34th movie Mr., released in 2017. 35th movie Lanka, released in 2017. 36th movie Keshava, released in 2017. 37th movie Andagadu, released in 2017. 38th movie Kathalo Rajakumari, released in 2017. 39th movie Jail Avakusha, released in 2017. 40th movie Voi Ninne, released in 2017. 41st movie Care of Surya, released in 2017. 42nd movie London Babulu, released in 2017. 43rd movie Sneha Mera Jeevitam, released in 2017. 44th movie Vakka Kshanam, released in 2017. 45th movie Touch Chesi Sudu, released in 2018. 46th movie Chelo, released in 2018. 47th movie Rangasthalam, released in 2018. 48th movie Chalmohan Ranga, released in 2018. 49th movie Lover, released in 2018. 50th movie Devadas, released in 2018. 51st movie Hello Guru Prema Kosme, released in 2018. 52nd movie Sabyasachi, released in 2018. 53rd movie Amar Akbar Anthony, released in 2018. 54th movie Idam Jagat, released in 2018. 55th movie Suryakantam, released in 2019. 56th movie Seven, released in 2019. 57th movie Vishwamitra, released in 2019. 58th movie Gang Leader, released in 2019. 59th movie Gaddalakonda Ganesh, released in 2019. 60th movie Arjun Suravaram, released in 2019. 61st movie Mattu Vadalara, released in 2019. 62nd movie Bhagyanagara Veedullo Gammattu, released in 2019. 63rd movie Sarileru Neekevaru, released in 2020. 64th movie Disco Raja, released in 2020. 65th movie Ashwadhama, released in 2020. 66th movie Bhishma, released in 2020. 67th movie Ore Bujjiga, released in 2020. 68th movie IIT Krishnamurthy, released in 2020. 69th movie Solo Bratke So Better, released in 2020. 70th movie Allud Adurs, released in 2021. 71st movie Red, released in 2021. 72nd movie Ninnila Ninnila, released in 2021. 73rd movie Shrikaram, released in 2021. 74th movie Gali Sampath, released in 2021. 75th movie Akshara, released in 2021. 76th movie A1 Express, released in 2021. 77th movie తెల్లవారితే గురువారం, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2021. 78th మూవీ వివాహ భోజనంబు, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2021. 79th మూవీ అద్భుతం, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2021. 80th మూవీ లక్ష, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2021. 81st మూవీ హీరో, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2022. 82nd మూవీ ఆడవాళ్ళు మీకు జోహార్లు, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2022. 83rd మూవీ గని, released in 2022. 84th movie F3, released in 2022. 85th movie Happy Birthday, released in 2022. 86th movie Kartikeya 2, released in 2022. 87th movie Highway, released in 2022. 88th movie Krishna Vrinda Vihari, released in 2022. 89th movie Agent, released in 2023. 90th మూవీ రామబాణం, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 91st మూవీ అన్ని మంచి శకునములే, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 92nd మూవీ రంగబలి, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 93rd మూవీ చాంగురే బంగారు రాజా, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 94th మూవీ బాగ్సాలే, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 95th మూవీ బోలా శంకర్, రిలీజ్ ఇన్ 2023. 96th మూవీ బెదుర్ లంక 2012, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2023. 97th మూవీ డెవిల్, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2023. 98th మూవీ హనుమాన్, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 99th మూవీ చారిత్రిపుల్1, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 100th మూవీ రవికుల రఘురామ, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 101st మూవీ గీతాంజలి మళ్ళీ వచ్చింది, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 102nd మూవీ పురుషోత్తముడు, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 103rd మూవీ మిస్టర్ బచ్చన్, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 104th మూవీ మత్తు వదలరా 2, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 105th మూవీ అప్పుడో ఇప్పుడో ఎప్పుడో, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024. 106th మూవీ జిబ్రా, రిలీజ్డ్ ఇన్ 2024.